Imagine how good it is if income tax is abolished in India. No tax means more money to every individual. You must be thinking it a joke. Well, it's not a joke. No income tax India is expected to be Narendra Modi's next move. After demonetization of old high denomination notes, the government is expected to roll out next economic reforms, and no income tax could be one of them. Let's discuss how this dream can turn into reality. In order to make India Sone ki Chidiya, the golden bird, again Sri Narendra Modi has started a fight against black money and corruption. Recalling high denomination currency of 1000 rupees and 500 rupees was the first step towards that. This step was in accordance with reviving Indian economy. The Arth Kranti proposal is a well-researched scientific approach designed to completely transform the current Indian socio-economic scenario. Arth Kranti proposal has been given by a Pune, Maharashtra-based Arth Kranti Sansthan, which is an economic advisory body constituted by a group of chartered accountants and engineers. This funda has been patented by the Sansthan. The government is planning to execute this proposal in two parts. Part A is to recall and scrap old high denomination notes of 500 rupees and 1000 rupees. Introduction of new 500 and 2000 rupee notes. Old 500 and 1000 rupee notes to be deposited into account in 50 days bring around 15 lakh crore in banks. And in part B, reduce interest rate on savings bank account from 4% to 2% or even less. Reduce fixed deposit rates drastically. Reduce home loan rate and keep it up between 7 to 8%. Implement GST by 1st of September 2017. Abolish income tax for individuals. Reduce corporate tax rates and introduce new banking transaction tax. It is claimed that if economic reforms mentioned in Part A and Part B is successfully implemented, India will be like USA. The government has already started implementing Part A. It is expected that by 30th of December 2016, around 15 lakh crore high denomination notes will be deposited into various banks. From the year 2017, implementation of Part B will commence. In the new year 2017, bank will have enough cash on hand, hence savings bank interest will be reduced from 4% to 2%. In addition to that, fixed deposit rates will be reduced to 5% to 7%. Home loan and car loan interest rate will be reduced to 7 to 8%. The reduction in a home loan interest rate will straightaway benefit real estate sector and affordable housing scheme project. The price of real estate will reduce and will be affordable to common man. By September 2017, the government will introduce GST reforms where all tax will be replaced by a single tax system called as GST. In addition to the introduction of GST, it is expected that corporate tax rate will be reduced to 30%. Once all these steps will be executed, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will give a gift to Indians by removing income tax. Income of every individual in India will be income tax free then onwards. No income tax will be the biggest gift ever by any Prime Minister in the history of India. Now, a question arises that once the income tax is removed, how the government will get money to run the nation? Well, once all cash will be deposited into banks, everyone will be enforced to use banking system for every transaction. New banking transaction tax will be introduced. Every transaction such as check, demand draft, RTGS, NEFT, credit card, debit card, etc. will come under this new tax system. The rate of the new banking transaction tax will be 0.1% to as high as 7%. Everyone, including farmer, will be covered under new banking transaction tax system. The government will directly get the income based on transaction. No black transaction will be entertained. The strict rule will be formulated for unaccounted money and non-banking transaction. What will be the benefit of implementation? Benefits will be transparency in economy, more purchasing power to individual, saving in amount of tax paid, drop in commodity prices, availability of loans from bank at lower rates, terrorist and anti-national activities will be eliminated, significant growth in the employment, Indian economy and business will be globally competitive. It is indeed a very good concept. If it is implemented effectively, India will surely become a global economy with a competitive edge. As of now, no confirmation is received on the removal of income tax and implementation of banking transaction tax. However, it is indicative that Modi government will take steps suggested after the demonetization move. Do you think demonetization of old high denomination is correct step by Modi government? Do you think Arth Kranti proposal will be beneficial to the country? I support the initiative of Modi government. If you support this initiative, do share this audio with others on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and all other social medias. Thank you.